Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear student in Islamic class? Today, we will take lesson 6, the last day, unit 1. And I want from you to learn vocabulary by heart. Okay, now let's start. Here, unit 1, Islamic belief, al-Aqidah. Lesson 6, the last day. We have here 3 ayah from Surah Al-Mutaffifin. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون ليوم عظيم يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين. Okay, صدق الله العظيم. This ayah from 3 ayah from Surah Al-Mutaffifin. So here, ألا يظن أولئك. Do you not think that أنهم مبعوثون, they will be raised up, يعني أنهم مبعوثون ليوم عظيم, for a great day. يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين. Here, the day when mankind will stand before the Lord of the worlds. Okay? So now here we have vocabulary, life. Okay, day of judgment, trail, righteous, rewarded, Jannah, wrong doors, punished, Jahannam, hell, fear, we should fear from Jahannam. We should every good thing, because if all of us do everything good, inshallah we will go Jannah. So we should work hard also. Okay, successful, we should do everything good, because if you do everything as Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam inform us, and we follow Allah's orders, inshallah we will be successful in this day, in that day. Guidance, al-akhirah. Al-akhirah, this is the next life, because as you know, we have now in life, but after all of us will die, so we will be in the next life. So here I want from you, my dear, to know some point about last day. Here, as you know, our life is in this earth is very short. Okay, so everyone will die at the same time. Yani all of us will die at the same time. The world will come to an end one day. So we have end day. What is the end day? This is the last day. This is the day of judgment. So all this world around us will end one day. And we should believe on that day. We should believe in the last day, the day of judgment. Allah will raise the dead again to the life. As you know, we know many people is died, yes, like old people, like grandmother, grandfather, like this. So in that day, Allah again will call these people again to the life. Everybody will stand for trial. So all of us will stand. We will see what Allah will happen to us, what we will do in that day. So we don't know. Here, righteous person will reward it. So the good person, the person who pray Allah, who fasting, who do everything Allah order us to do it, follow everything Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam inform us to do. So if you do everything, so Allah will give you good things. So he will enter you or enter us in Jannah. Jannah means paradise. Okay? طيب. What about the wrong doors? What about them? The not good people, yani the bad people that they didn't pray, they didn't fasting, they didn't do salah, okay? And they lie, they make very, very bad things. So Allah will punish them. Allah will punish them how? Allah will send them to Jahannam. Walayadu billah. So all of us should be fair about that day. We should be afraid about that day. So we should do everything good, because if you do everything as Allah ordered us to do, inshallah you will be in Jannah. And we also should work hard to be successful in that day. So if you do everything by heart, if you do everything as usual as Allah ordered us, inshallah, you will be successful on that day. And we should also follow the guidance of Allah sent down upon Muhammad. So Allah sent many good things for us. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam inform us to do it. So if we follow this, inshallah, we will be ready to that day and we will be successful in that day. So this all this, if you do all these things, so you will be success in the al-akhirah, or in that day, in the next life. Okay. So here I write it in point. Our life on this earth is short, as you know, it is short, and everyone will die at the same time. So all of us, one day we will die in the same time. This world will come to an end one day. So all this world around us will end one day. Okay. And we should believe in that day, day of judgment. And Allah, what Allah will do in that day, He will raise the dead again to the life. So the dead people again will return back again to the life. Everybody will stand for trial. So all of us will stand for trial. Now, right, righteous person will be rewarded. So the good person will be, inshallah, in a good place. So Allah will enter them to Jannah. And the wrongdoers will be punished. The bad people, or the people didn't follow Allah's order and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam orders, so Allah will punish them. Okay. And what Allah will do? Allah will send them to Jahannam, hell. So we should fear of that day. We should be careful about that day. We should do everything good, because if you do everything good, inshallah, Allah will send us to Jannah. And we should work hard to be successful on that day. So from now, you should work hard. You should do everything Allah ordered us to do. Because if you do all this, inshallah, you will be successful in that day. And we should also follow the guidance of Allah, send it down upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we should do every good things, inshallah, Allah will send us to Jannah, okay, paradise. That is the way to success in the al-akhirah. We call this day also al-akhirah. This is the next life. Okay, this is a exercise page 24. So inshallah, we will take exercise next class. Enough only today to learn this point, to know everything about Jannah and Jahannam. Okay, and you should know that we should be fair of the last day, and you should follow the guidance of Allah sent down upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. because if you do every good things, inshallah, Allah will send us to Jannah, paradise. Okay, thank you, my dear. This is our lesson for today. I will solve the question, answer, inshallah, next class. Thank you. See you next class.